Hello everyone, Dave Grime from the Grime team here again to show you another terrific, fantastic home. Buyers, are you looking for a great family home in a quiet, peaceful location? Well, you found it right here. Well, here we are in the beautiful rolling hills of Mono with another fantastic property to showcase for you today. So let's not waste any time and count down the top 5 reasons why this home would be right for you. And yes, again, I did bring a towel. Reason number 5 is the magnificent Hockley Valley views. So here we are atop of the north ridge of the Hockley Valley with great views, but as you can see, it is a little smoky today. But I can tell you, these views are right at your doorstep. And better yet, we're a minute north of the Hockley Valley General Store for boutique shopping, dining, and the Good Hawk restaurant, and the Nottawasaga River right down the road. We're on a quiet, peaceful road with golf, skiing, hiking trails, and the river all around the corner. But let's move on to the next reason. This fantastic 2.61 acres is my next reason. Past the gates and up the tree-lined driveway, we come to an amazing lot. Lots of grassy areas, mature perennial gardens, a turtle pond, plenty of parking, as well as so many places to relax and enjoy this little piece of Hockley paradise. Off the house, we have a covered 2-car carport, but let's get to the next reason. It gets even better. A country property such as this needs, well, you've got it, a detached workshop, which brings me to reason number 3. This great workshop has 2 drive-in doors, has power, and measures 24 by 40, which is plenty of room for cars, boats, and all your toys. Behind, we also have more parking and a handy sea can for even more storage. Enough of outside. Let's go in. You have to see the house. Reason number 2 is this perfect family-friendly home with a fantastic layout. Past a welcoming covered porch with the great views, we enter this updated home. Brand new roof, newer windows, furnace and AC offer years of carefree living. The large living room is open to the dining area with a cozy 3-sided fireplace. The dining is open to the kitchen, breakfast bar, granite counters, and more covered space that you could ask for. On the other side of the kitchen, we have a spectacular sunroom with multiple walkways to an area we'll see in reason number 1. Don't think the main floor has enough space? Check out the massive family room. Bright, spacious, and versatile. You can use this room for whatever your family desires. Upstairs, we have 3 great bedrooms, all with double closets and an updated bathroom with a gorgeous walk-in shower. And a feature that I love, a laundry chute. The lower level hosts a large laundry room, primary bedroom with large walk-in closet, fireplace, and ensuite 4-piece bath with shower and jet tub. Loads of room for family and friends. Now, I have to get changed for reason number 1. Place like this for entertaining family and friends. We have lots of patio space for outdoor dining and entertaining family and friends. Relax in the large screened-in gazebo, barbecue a feast for a summer get-together, and if it gets too hot, hop into the pool to cool down and relax. This oasis has it all. Well, thanks for watching our video tour of this great home with a great layout, great views, great pool area, great updates. It's just great. So check out www.hockleyviews.com for more information on a video interactive walkthrough, or give our office a call for your personal tour and see it in person. Till next time, Dave Grime signing out, and I'm going to go back to the pool.